Ever wondered what it actually costs to buy a home? I'll give you a hint, it's not just a down payment. In this video, I will break down all the different costs and expenses involved when looking to purchase a home. Hey everyone, it's Gourav Khatri and I help people buy, sell and invest in real estate in Mississauga and the surrounding areas of the GTA. If you're in the market and need some guidance, you can book a quick intro call with me by using the link in the description down below. Now let's get to it. Number 1 is down payment. A down payment is the amount of money you pay towards the purchase price of your home, and the balance is provided by the lender, such as a bank. Before they can fund your purchase, lenders have a minimum down payment requirement. If the purchase price of a property is less than $1 million, then the minimum down payment required is anywhere between 5 to 7.5%. However, if the purchase price of a home is $1 million or more, then you would need a minimum down payment of 20%. In fact, if you're purchasing an additional property such as a second or a third property, then you would still need a minimum 20% down payment regardless of whether it is under or over $1 million. And whatever your down payment amount is, you would need to have that much money available for closing. For those of you wondering, a deposit forms part of the down payment. For example, if you purchase a property for $1 million and put in a deposit of say $50,000, based on the minimum 20% requirement, you would only need to come up with $150,000 as a down payment, as the balance of $50,000 would have already been paid by you towards the deposit. Number 2 is Realtor. Having an experienced real estate agent by your side to help you with the purchase of a home can be very beneficial. They can guide you through the market and also help you prepare offers on properties. An agent can also help you avoid overpaying for a property because they are often emotionally detached from the process, and can also help you understand the true value of a home by showing you the comparable sales in the area. A buyer's agent is there to protect your best interests, and all of these services come at no cost to you because a buyer's agent's commission is paid by the listing brokerage, which in turn is paid by the sellers of the property. If you want to understand more about the process of buying a home in Mississauga or the GTA in general, I've made a free comprehensive buyer's guide. Make sure to comment down below and I will send it over. Number 3 is mortgage insurance. In case you're not able to make your mortgage payments, a mortgage insurance protects the lenders by insuring their funded amount. However, it does not protect you. But if your down payment is less than 20%, most lenders make it mandatory for you to get a mortgage insurance. In some cases, the lenders still may ask you to get a mortgage insurance even if you're coming with a 20% down payment. The two main reasons being if you're self-employed or if you have poor credit history. The mortgage insurance premium is anywhere between 0.6 to 4.5% of the mortgage amount. And the more down payment you come up with, the less the mortgage insurance premium. You don't need to have this money handy at any time because the premium itself becomes part of the mortgage and hence your monthly payments. To simplify it, if your mortgage amount is $700,000 and your mortgage insurance premium comes up to say $20,000, then your monthly payments would be calculated based on $720,000, which depending on your interest rate and amortization could increase your monthly payments by roughly $100 or more. Number 4 is inspections. You don't want to purchase a home and later find out that the home has some major hidden defects such as cracked foundations. A home inspection is a must to find out the condition of the property. Depending on the size and type of property, a home inspection can cost anywhere between $500 to $800. This usually covers the inspection of the home only. However, if you're purchasing a rural property out in the country, then you should be prepared for additional inspections. Commonly, you're looking at testing the water potability, inspecting the well and the septic, and if it's an older home, even the structural integrity. The cost is extra because there are specialized inspectors for each of these investigations. Number 5 is home appraisal. Before the lender can fund your mortgage, they will usually want to know if the home is truly worth the price you bought it for. And that's why they will hire a professional and a trusted home appraiser to determine the true value of your home. Appraisers use several factors to come up on the value of the home, such as the square footage of the home, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, frontage, number of garage and driveway parking spaces, neighborhood, etc. If the appraised value of the home is similar or more than the purchase price, then the lenders will be comfortable funding your mortgage. But if it is lower, then the lenders will usually fund up to the appraised amount and ask you to come up with the rest of the money. A professional appraisal costs around $350 to $500 and is to be paid by the buyer. But some lenders can waive off this fee. Make sure to ask your mortgage agent in advance. Number 6 is land transfer tax. Buyers are required to pay land transfer tax on every purchase of property. The amount is based on the sale price and is progressively taxed, with 2.5% being the highest slab. Some cities such as Toronto also levy a municipal tax, which is in addition to the land transfer tax and is calculated in a similar manner. Basically, if you're purchasing a property in Toronto, you're paying double the amount of tax. Just like down payment, you would need to have this money available upon closing to pay the land transfer tax and also the municipal tax if applicable. So make sure to budget for this amount. I've seen many buyers use up all available funds and then realize they're short $15,000 in tax payments. If you're a first-time buyer, you can get a rebate of up to $4,000 on the land transfer tax. I've been talking a lot of numbers and percentages today. To make your life easier, I've made a free mortgage calculator that will calculate your minimum down payment, your mortgage insurance, your land transfer and municipal tax, and also give you an idea of what your monthly payments could look like. The link is in the description down below. Number 7 is lawyer fees. In a real estate transaction, a lawyer's job is to help you close the deal. They usually charge around $700 to $1,100 per closing, but some can charge even more. This cost usually covers the title transfer and doing any legal due diligences. If you're purchasing a property that's part of a condominium, it would be the lawyer that reviews the status certificate of that condo corporation. On an average, lawyers charge around $250 to $500 to review a status certificate. But if you use the same lawyer to help you close, they will usually waive off the status review fee for that one property you're closing on. Number 8, moving company. When all is said and done, the last remaining thing after purchasing a home is actually moving into the home. Depending on how much stuff you have, you could save your money by getting your friends and family to help you. But if you're not a teenager or in your 20s, believe me, this is not a project you want to take on and do it yourself. These days, professional movers provide all kinds of services from packing all the way to moving. That's why I recommend hiring a professional to help you move. The cost is anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 depending on the type of service and the size of the home. I hope you all got some value from this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you need to have an in-depth discussion about the process of buying or selling a home in Mississauga or the surrounding areas of the GTA, please feel free to contact me directly or book an intro call with me using the information in the description down below. And make sure to check out this next video.